Hiya crafters, Amy here with Amyswares, and I have the March release for A Colorful Life Designs. I can't believe we're already in March, but alas, here we are. I wanted to show you the entire March release. This is available in the shop now, and you can get it at a discount with my coupon AmyFan10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you everything that comes in this March release. As always, there will be a Master Creator Bundle, which you can get the entire collection for 20% off. You can't use my coupon with that because it's already so heavily discounted, but that is an option if you do want the entire collection, which I wouldn't blame you. So when you get a mailer like this, it will come with a manila folder inside and some free card bling. There's loads of that in the shop, every color you can imagine. When you order, it will come in a folder like this. Some of them may be in their own little cellophane envelope, some not. The reason being, if there's little pieces parts or multiple layers, she will put them in their own sleeve. Otherwise, she is deliberately trying to cut down on plastic waste, which bravo, I appreciate that she does that. But let's dive right in. I will show you. We've got some 6x6 and we've got some 6x9. So I'm just going to try and separate these out a little bit. This is the March release. Oh, actually, I'm only seeing, oh, maybe there isn't any 6x9. I'm fooling there. Look, they're all 6x6. That's different. So never mind. I will show you this 6x6. And as you can imagine, there is a bit of an Easter theme. Now, this isn't all of them. There's just some in the collection if that's not your jam or you don't make Easter cards. But super cute ideas. Look at this to start. How cute is that little bunny forming the E? So you don't even need to stamp on this card. How gorgeous is this? So let me show you next to a card base. This is US A2 size, 4¼ inches by 5½. And look how perfect this egg fits right on here. And you could just do the sentiment right underneath it. So boom, easy card. You could ink blend. These are nice kind of tight connection points, so you wouldn't even need pixie spray on this. This you'd want to be just a little bit careful because you don't want to kind of blur up the words. But if you don't come at it like a lumberjack like I do, I'm sure you will be fine. So that is so cute. It's called Cute Easter Egg. Then this is Heart Bunny. How cute is this? Look, you can turn your card horizontally or vertically, and this cute little bunny buns made of hearts will fit right on it. So that's Heart Bunny. Well, here's a fun anytime use, zigzag squares. How fun is that? So you could totally use this as a background or combine it with a different stencil with maybe bigger openings to give it some extra texture or interest and really stretch those supplies. Oh, this one is so pretty. Dutch tile. So pretty. Look at that. Same thing here. I feel like these make great backgrounds or layered stencils where you layer them up with other ones. Absolutely love that one. Okay, flowing curl. How fun is that? Again, these are all 6 inches by 6 inches. We have petite for dainty. This is dainty. But again, it's kind of tight connection points. And what I say by that, what I mean by that rather, is if you have like a stencil that has a bunch of strips that aren't kind of connected along the way, it's going to really move around on you. And it would be one where you have to use pixie spray or something like that. This, even though it's super dainty, you would benefit from using pixie spray. It isn't necessarily going to be needed. If you're gentle, not rough again, like me, you could probably get away with using this without pixie spray. Super fun. Absolutely love this one. Okay, that is petite for dainty. Okay, this one, basket and egg. So fun. So you get the basket and then the egg. So you could kind of move it over. You ink blend the basket or whatever medium you're going to use. And then you can boop, 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 put a bunch of eggs in it. Super fun. Okay, this one. Oh, I love this one. Deco fans. Boo. I love anything like mid-century modern or Art Deco. Again, this isn't seasonal. This is year-round. Year-round gorgeous. Can you imagine this on like a black cardstock with like a metallic, maybe a paste or something, or a, I don't know, metallic gilding polish or like a solar paste or something through it? Wouldn't that be gorgeous? So classy. Maybe for like a wedding card or anniversary card. Starry Rays. So this has a bit of a, I don't know, mid-century modern feel to it as well. Super fun. Oh, I have these little tiny sentiments, these little die cuts from Simon. I could just boop, pop one right in the middle there. Super fun. That one is Starry Rays. See, they're not all Easter. There's a nice smattering of Easter, but there's also a nice smattering of Geo, which these Geo ones, I feel like it's the bee's knees, right? I mean, these you can use for anything. You can use for masculine cards. You can use for layering. You can use them in tandem with other stencils. I just love them. Okay, mixed shapes. So there's these little multiple shapes here in this design. Got a pretty floral, joined roses. Again, this is dainty, but, well, this one you want to be careful. But pretty decent connection points here. Joined roses. Okay. Jardiniere. I have no idea if I'm saying that right. Jardiniere. Sounds a little posh saying that. Anyway, this is a fun little Geo design. If you know what jardiniere means, please let me know in the comments, because I have no idea. Okay, woven wiggles. Oh, fun. I just love the name of this. Woven wiggles. I swear, Mary Kay is so funny. Like, I just imagine her in her little craft space coming up with names for this stuff. It's so fun. Okay, woven wiggles. Okay, this one, stained glass cross. Super pretty. This would be really easy to mask off each section because it's such straight lines, and then make it like a beautiful stained glass. Lovely. Great for Easter or, you know, year-round for anyone. Okay, and then this one. Oh, this is cool. I'm going to open this one up so we can do it justice. This is the last one. Again, you can get the entire collection under what's called a Master Creator Bundle. I will link that below. But otherwise, if you get any individual stencils, be sure to use my coupon AmyFan10. Now this, dainty. Look at these tiny little crosses. This is one you would definitely want pixie spray and not come at it rough at all, because this is going to want to move on you. But how stinking cool is that? It says hallelujah along the mountain, and then you also have this masking piece here. So cool. So this is obviously called Hallelujah. So that is the March release. I will link everything below. I appreciate you checking this out. If you are on Facebook, I encourage you to join our fan group. We have a Colorful Light Designs fan group. I'll link that as well below. But if you join, you have to answer a couple membership questions. Don't be alarmed by that. We're just trying to keep spammers out because they cause all sorts of problems. But in that group, all of us on the design team post our projects all month long. So there's loads of inspiration. It's a fun place to kind of collaborate and chat and encourage each other. And I really hope you will join us there. So if you enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.